Now the signal is buying climax and selling climax. So climax in the VSA, first we understand what is the climax. Maybe there is a different meaning in other words, in other sentences, but in the VSA, the meaning is different from the dictionary. In the VSA, the climax shows that the peak or the start and the peak. These two meanings shows. And also we are adding the climax start, it shows the start, and climax end, it shows that the trend is going to end. The trend is the level of the ending on the ending level. So climax in the VSA, again it shows that the high volume, the ultra high volume from the all previous bars, from all above averages, the volume is ultra high. So there are two candles. One the green candle, which shows the buying climax and the red candle shows the selling climax end. So these two candles we will find where? We will find end of the uptrend and end of the downtrend. We will find these two candles. That is a reversal sign. And also in the price action, you know that there is a exhaustion candle. Exhaustion candle always give us a idea that trend is exhausted. Buyers and sellers, buyers or sellers put all their effort into this candle. Now the trend will going to change the direction. So if you see a candle which wick is 25 to 35% as related to the body and volume is ultra high volume from previous all bars, that is a sign that say buyers now exhausted. If there is a resistance level, the trend can change the direction from this level. If there is a resistance level, then trend will change the direction from here. So that is a pre-signal. In near future, the trend will change the direction. Maybe after one candle, maybe an immediate effect, maybe after 3 candles, where you will see the confirmation is a resistance level. And when we see there is a consolidation market and one candle come, the buyer's candle come, and it broke the level of the consolidation, and volume will increase from all previous bar, that is the buying climax start. So this there will be consolidation, there will be little range, 2 to 3 candles range, any type of little movement of the market you will see. And here and that area is the accumulation area, as I teach you. So if the green candle have ultra high volume, we can say that is a buying climax start, but it's not necessary. On each and every move you will find the buying climax start, and each and every impulsive wave at the end you will see the buying climax end. It's not necessary. Maybe sometime you will see upthrust signal, maybe inverse upthrust, maybe pseudo inverse upthrust, pseudo upthrust, maybe you will see the bullish effort is less than the bullish result, or bullish effort is greater than the bullish results. So there are so many signals. From these 9 signals, maybe you will find any one signal, not a buying climax end, but if you find this type of candle, then you can consider that is a buying climax end. And the same in the downtrend here, this one. So if there is a little range, you will see any red candle which creates an ultra high volume from this range. It shows that the selling climax starts from here, and then market goes down, and you will see that. And maybe sometime you will see these both things, sometime you will not see Sometimes you will see only one thing from here or here. Maybe here there is another signal, maybe here there is another signal. So, but these signals sometimes working together, but sometimes not. So we will test in the chart that how these signals are appearing in the market. Okay. So the body must be also greater and wick must be 25 to 35%. So if you see that that is a inverted hammer candle and have a ultra high volume and the wick is there and body also, so it's not a buying climax end signal, because you know that body is not 75% of the wick, our body is not 65% of the wick. So body must be 65% and wick must be 35% to 25%. So then you will can say that there is a buying climax. So we are finding the buying climax signal. So buying climax signal will always appear in the uptrend and sometimes you will see in the downtrend also. So you see here you do find the candle, but that is not the start of the end of the trend. That is the start of the trend. So that you can count that is a buying climax start, because volume is ultra high from all previous bars and this is the range. After broken the range, volume is start. So after this candle, do you see the market is moving in up direction? But here I did not see any buying climax end. Only I see buying climax start, but no buying climax end. When no buying climax end, you will see there is another signal, which is what the bullish result is decreasing as compared to the two candles. That is a weakness. Why the result is decreasing from here to here? So another VSA signal you can find. Sometimes both signal you will find. So look at on this candle. Do you see that is a selling climax end signal, a buying climax end? The wick is near to the 25% and volume is ultra high. And do you see the buying climax start here? Volume is ultra high from all previous bars. So here buying climax start, here buying climax end. Only one candle goes down. This candle shows the weakness. It now shows that the sellers are strong. But signal in the buying, this way we found the buying climax end we found. But the seller shows on the next candle that we are not interested in the market from here to go down. We will go, you go up and from here we can start, from here can we start. So sometimes signal appear, it's not necessary that it will work for the 5 minutes, because on the next candle sellers communicate us that we are not strong. So when they once communicate, buyers again will start. So that is the opportunities game. If the buyers give the opportunity to the sellers, if they want to avail the opportunity, they can continue. They don't want to avail the opportunity, again buyers will continue. So we cannot blame that this signal is not working. This signal working, that's why you find the reversal candle. But this reversal candle, sellers shows that we are not interested here. So these type of signal you will find in the market. Sometimes you will find the upthrust or downthrust signals. Okay. Here we found the upthrust signal. You know that here sellers are not interested in this area. Then how they can continue from here? When they are not interested here, then why they continue from here? They will not continue. Market will continue in up direction. So when we open our mind, we can understand what seller want, what buyer want. We must understand the need of the buyers and sellers. So look at here, is it working? The selling, the bearish effort is greater than the bearish result. Here it's working. Because you know this impulsive wave have 8 candles or 7 candles. After 7 to 8 candles, the signal appeared that it can work. But if you are expecting that here on the start of the trend it will work, so it will not work. It will work at the end of the trend. Do you know? Upthrust signal we are finding after 3 to 4 candles. All the signals we are finding after 3 to 4 candles. So this signal we are finding at the end of the trend, end of the wave. Then it will work. So must I am looking for the selling climax here. So look at in this candle. The trend started from here to here. This candle shows me that we are exhausted. This wick shows me 35% rejection. Volume is ultra high volume. So I found there is a signal. So look at that signal is a in near future signal. It's not an immediate signal. Even the signal appear, the seller's effort, last effort, again the range broken. So the bias again continue. So it's not like a empty for any indicator. Here a arrow appear and you put a 5-minute trade. So VSA is not like this type of indicator. The VSA is the analysis of the trend. Then you must read the candles and then you take the decision that in which way, which direction market will run. So it's not any arrow signal that after this arrow appearing you can go for the 5-minute. You must understand and think in mind when signal appear, you must confirm if you find any confirmation. So here again a evening star appear, it's not working and the bias broke the level, again another pattern working. So that's why market is going in up direction. After appearing any signal, you must analyze the market more. To more confirm, then you can place a trade. So and then so these are not short moves, these are short moves. So there again I found a buying selling climax and signal. Look at this candle. It's not any other VSA signal, but all the signals are very related to each other. If I say here the effort is increasing, also result is increasing, there is no signal, only there is a selling climax and signal. Volume increasing ultra high from all previous bars. And look at after a little range, market how moves in up direction for 5 to 6 candle, because that is a impulsive wave and these are the corrective waves, and then market again goes down, but here the trend is changing. So that is a signal, the weakness signal. Okay, so that was the buying climax and selling climax signal. And do you have any other confusion with any other signal that I can clear? If you don't have confusion, that I will give you work assignment. I will give you assignment that you must complete the assignment. Hello, brothers. Do you hear me?
Hi, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
If there is any
Uh,
confusion, then I can clear more.
Sir, when we are
Sir, can we have small week downside in the buying limit?
Varun, your connection is, I think, weak. I cannot hear you clearly. Okay. So I don't understand what you are asking. Okay, Sanjeev, now talk me.
sir, when we are trading in ranging market in support and resistance,
Yes.
could you please explain to us a little bit how is volume and candles relating market
Okay.
reverse, or any idea we can take?
Okay. Okay.
Thank
So
you.
when we are talking on the ranging market, the ranging market is what showing in the VSA that supply is equal to demand. When supply is equal to demand, it means buyers are 100% power, also sellers have 100% power. So when you find the ranging market, you can work on the horizontal lines. Horizontal line, support and resistance, it will work. And in the ranging market, you can take only 1 minute signal, or you can take only 2 to 3 minutes, not 5 minute signal. 5 minute signal will not work in the ranging market. Only 2 to 3 minute or 1 minute signal will work. And most of the time in the ranging market, you will see that so many anomalies. The anomalies of the 2 candle, anomaly of the 3 candle, it will work. And sometimes you will see the upthrust or other signals, but you know that in the ranging market, the demand and supply is equilibrium. So all other signal will not work, only anomalies will work. So here, if there is a ranging market I found, I will show you some examples. So in this case, look at, I say that is a ranging market. And that is a upper range and that is lower range. So we must create the 2 ranges. In these ranges, when you see the anomalies between 2 candles, you can trade. When you see any anomalies between any candles and volume, do you see all the volume is equal to each other, all under the average, not increasing more, not decreasing more. So when the best way is that, the best trading is that when this range broken, you must trade in the trendy market. So sometimes this support and resistance will work, sometimes not work. And my suggestion for the ranging market is that when candles reach to this level, you can place a 3-minute trade. When candle reach to this level, you can place a 3-minute trade only for 1 minute, 1 opportunity and 2 opportunity. Not third opportunity and not fourth opportunity. You know maybe the trend broke here, maybe the trend broke from here. So first opportunity and second opportunity. Okay, you consider that the trend, you confirm that the range market creates from here. Now you can take only 1 or 2 entries. So 1 entry, 2 entry. After confirmation of the ranging market, then you can take 1 or 2 entries, not more than 1 and 2 entries. Only on the upper area and lower area. And if you use the Bollinger Band 20 period, it will give you idea that that is a ranging market. 20 period Bollinger Band you can use, and you can use deviation 1. It will give you there, look at how it's skewed. From the upper Bollinger Band, that is the range, upper Bollinger 1 deviation, upper Bollinger Band, and lower Bollinger Band. That is a support and resistance. Only the ranging market can be traded in the 1 deviation band lower and 1 deviation band upper. From here, it will work as a resistance. Here, it works as a support. Resistance, support, resistance, support. So if I put here 2 deviation, it will confuse you. So if you find the range market, only 1 deviation, 20 period. And I'm plotting the 20 period again and the 2 deviation. Look at these, all the lines are above from the candles. This line is above. You are waiting for this line. The price is not reaching to this line, and also price is not reaching to this line. So range market can be traded in 1 deviation, 20 period 1 deviation. All the time you will see. So I'm again removing the 20 period, 2 deviation, and I'm finding another range that can give you a clear idea. The range market, just I found the range market. Here there's the range market a little bit. So this 1 deviation is working as a support and resistance. When the Bollinger Band is flat, that is a perfect range market. When this band is flat, that is a perfect range market. And after breakout, you will see market will create a trend. So only one deviation, upper, lower. So it crosses, you can press 3-minute trade. It reaches our support on the one deviation, you can place 3-minute trade. Your trade will be winning trade. If you are placing trade here 3-minute, it's a winning trade. 1 minute, 3-minute, 1 minute, 3-minute, you can place the trade. Not 5-minute. The 5-minute trade will not work here. Sometime work, sometime not work. Is it clear, Sanjeev? Look at.
Yes, it's clear. So thank you. Thank you.
So that is Bollinger Band, and one deviation and lower and upper band acting as a support and resistance. You no need to draw the levels here. This Bollinger Band gives you the idea that where is the resistance, where the support. Any other? Varun, now talk me.
Sir, in buying climax candle,
Hmm.
can we have small lower wick, downside?
Yes, it's not. It's common. Sometimes you will find the lower wick also in the bottom side in the green candle. It's common. Sometimes you will not find. Sometimes you will find. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Any other? If there is any confusion, today I only give you two signals: buying climax start and end, and buying climax, selling climax start and end. Okay. So yesterday I provide you sheets. So now your practice is going to start. Okay, so practice is very important for now. Here, these sheets. Now I want to see that how many trades you are taking on the VSA. So when you trade on the VSA, I can correct you. This sheet used now and took the trades. Even any one trade from each setup you must took. 2 to 3 trades if that is fine. But you must took the trades. So the studying only, it's not a good thing. Only you must study, then you must practice. So practice, show me practice that I can understand you are working, and some setups are working for you and some setups are not working for you. Okay, so that I can clear you these setups. So tomorrow there are two signals are remaining. After two signals, I will ask from you people that tell me there is a signal of VSA. From your suggestions, that I will take the signals. I will take the trades from your suggestion, that I can see how much you are giving me good suggestions on the trade. And then I will correct you that I want to place a buy trade or sell trade. If there is any up thrust or down thrust signal, you will say me that, so there is a signal, take the trade for the 5 minutes from here or from here, from anywhere where you say that I will take the trade, and we will see the results, that how it's working or not working. And when there is not working or working, I will give you understanding about these trades, and also I will take the trades in front of you, that how I'm taking the signal and how I'm analyzing the signal, from where there is a support or resistance, and when signals appear, how much time later I'm going to take the signal. So this practice will enhance your experience also, and it will enhance your confidence. So you must take the trades tomorrow. Everybody must show me some trades. It's very important. And tomorrow we will study more, and also we will trade on the live market. Okay, brothers?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, brothers.